In this video, you'll learn how to handle webhooks using Claude Code. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to set up and manage webhook endpoints for your application effectively. Begin by understanding your webhook requirements. Determine which specific events you want to handle, such as payment underscore succeeded, payment underscore failed, or refund underscore completed. It is also essential to identify the provider you will be using, as different services like Stripe and PayPal have distinct webhook events. Next, prepare your project environment. Open Visual Studio Code and create a new project folder, naming it something like Webhooks app. After that, initialize your project environment using Node.js, Python, or whichever backend language you prefer. It is important to securely store your API keys and the secret web key, typically in a file named quote, to keep them safe. Once your project is set up, the next step is to ask Claude Code to generate a webcam endpoint. Open the Claude Code terminal and prompt it with a request to create a webcam workflow. An example prompt could be, generate a backend webcam endpoint for Stripe that listens for payment events and updates the database automatically. Upon executing this prompt, Claude Code will generate the necessary endpoint URL, event verification logic, and event processing workflow. Following that, you need to verify web signatures. Each web code provider sends a unique signature with every event to confirm authenticity. Claude Code can help you generate the signature verification logic to ensure that events originate from the expected provider. Use a prompt like add webhook signature verification to ensure events are coming from Stripe or PayPal. After establishing verification, focus on processing the events. For each event, decide how your application should respond. This could involve updating the order or payment status in your database, triggering emails or notifications or login events for auditing purposes. Claude Code can generate the necessary event handlers automatically to streamline this process. Next, testing your webhooks is crucial. Utilize the provider's sandbox or test mode, such as the Stripe CLI or PayPal sandbox, to send test webhook events. Claude Code can assist in generating a test script or workflow to simulate these events accurately, ensuring your setup works as intended. Finally, deploy your webhook endpoint. Choose a platform like Heroku, Railway, or Vercel to deploy your backend. Ensure that your endpoint is publicly accessible via HTTPS and update the provider dashboard with your web URL. After deployment, monitoring and maintaining your webhooks is essential. Claude Code can help generate a monitoring and logging workflow that logs incoming webhook events, alerts on failures or retries, and automatically retries failed processing. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.